Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Epic Games launcher and signing in. This is where updates are managed. Make sure Fortnite is fully closed, check Task Manager, and end any background processes using lots of RAM. Connect to stable Wi-Fi or plug in Ethernet so the download won't stall. Unstable networks cause file corruption. Once done, navigate to your library and locate Fortnite so you can begin the update process without delays. You click Fortnite in Library and hit Update or Resume. Epic will fetch patch files. While it downloads, pause other launcher downloads and close streaming apps to free bandwidth and CPU. This speeds patching and reduces verification errors. If the download seems slow, switch to a wired connection or restart the router. Make sure Epic isn't set to limit bandwidth in settings. Once files download, Epic will verify automatically before installing. This prevents corrupted installs. You let Epic finish verification and installation. This finalizes files so Fortnite runs correctly. After installation, launch Fortnite and follow any in-game prompts to finalize migration or cosmetic updates. If the game fails to launch or shows missing content, go back to the Epic library, click the 3 dots, choose Verify, and let it repair files. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Fortnite via Epic. Doing so clears persistent corruption and gives you a clean update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.